Hey everyone, this is Naveen. I'm going to walk you through the installation process for SSDK CLI in macOS. The first thing I want you to do is visit this website called sdk.surveysparrow.dev. So here, go to the Getting Started section. This is where you will find the Quick Start. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the installation steps for Brew Package Manager. Let me just copy this command and go to your terminal and paste it over here. This will ask you to enter your password. After which, just click on enter here. Okay, as you can see, the brew is installed successfully, but we need to do this to ensure that it is in our path. So let me just copy this command here. Copy this one and paste it over here. Let me just clear it. Now if I check the version of brew, yeah, Homebrew is installed successfully. Now the next thing we need after Homebrew is, scroll down a little bit and you will find we need to install this npm. So go to your terminal and run the command brew install npm. So npm is used to install multiple versions of Node, so you can shift between them whenever you want. And after installing npm, the next thing is just copy these commands, but first create this mk directory, the mkdir.nvm folder. Paste it in the below. Yes, it is already exists. And then copy this one over here, paste it down below, and then last of all, just copy this one up until here, paste it down below, and all set. Now let me just clear it. Let's check if the nvm is installed or not. Yes, nvm is installed successfully. Great. Now the next thing after installing nvm is, scroll down a little bit on the documentation and you will find installing the Node version. So we need Node version 18 for the SSDK CLI to actually work. So let me install the 18th version of Node. So since it is saying it is already installed, no issues. So let me just confirm that we are using the version 18. Yes, now we are using the version 18. Great. Now next thing after installing Node would be, scroll down a little bit, is mkcert. Brew install mkcert. So this will allow us to run the application in our local environment securely with a SSL encryption. And after installing mkcert, the next thing would be, scroll down a little bit and you will find the SSDK CLI installation process. Just copy this one and go to your terminal, paste it over here. Great, the SSDK CLI is installed too. Let's just check if it is installed properly. SSDK version, the command for that is SSDK version. And yes, 0.1.10. This is the updated version. Now the next thing would be is developing the app. So we have now covered the installation steps for macOS, and I'll see you in the installation process for Windows.